ये कन्वर्ट करना है गाना इंग्लिश में, हिंदी का गाना वो अधूरा सा रह न जाऊं, तो कैसा बन सकता है वो गाना? No hobbies, no love you me. Fool you, do you love you me? No hub love you me. Fool you, love you me. No hub love you me. Do you fool you love you me? I am a luck man. Do you love you me? I am a luck man. Do you love you me? I love you me. Continue love you me. Beginning love you me. Asked my friend you. Your lover you. My lover you. Beginning you me. Continue you me. I love you me. Will you love you me? Do you I love you me?